we have to find whether a given number is palindrome or not. You are given an integer, you have to find it is a palindrome or not. Palindrome number, if you read from reverse also, it will be the same number. Like, right, you need a number like 121, reverse also you see that is also 121. So this is a palindrome, right? So now you have to think of a logic, how to find a number as a palindrome or not. A simple logic would be, if reverse of the number is equal to the original number, then you have to just return true. It is a palindrome. Simple logic, right? We need just need to reverse the number and check whether it is equal to the original number. Okay, this is a simple logic we can think of. Now the second point is how to reverse the number. This number 1 to 3, now you have to reverse it, right? We have to get 3 to 1. Now how to reverse the number? See, to reverse this number, right, one thing what you can do is first get this 3. Like if you do a modulo 10, you get the last number, right? Last digit you can get. So get 3, okay, and then like let's see, if you do like something like this, get 3 multiply by 10, it becomes 30, correct? And then you have already removed this one, right? Multiply by 10 and keep it. Then add this, remove this 2 and then add this 2. It becomes 32, right? You get, now you got 32. Now this 32 multiply by 10 and keep it, which is multiply by 10, it becomes 320, right? Then remove this 1 and add it to this, it becomes 321, right? Now you have reversed it. So extract a number, multiply by 10 and keep it, then extract the next number, add to it, and then multiply by 10 and keep it, right? So if you keep on doing this in a loop, how many digits are there? Those many times if you do, then we are basically going to get the reverse number. Then after that, just check this reverse number is equal to the original number, right? So let's try to write this in code. So first thing is, just let's have a function. Let's write a function. Okay, it returns the reverse number, right? So this will return an int reverse. That's how function reverse. So when you write a function, right, always think what it returns. It returns reverse of a number, right? That is also a number, so it is int. And what it accepts a number. This is the input to the function, and this is the output of the function. Good. Now what is going to return? It's going to reverse the number and return. Let's think of a logic. Okay. Now what code you have to write? If just call this function reverse of n, right? This is going to reverse the number and return, right? If that is equal to n, then the reverse is equal to the original number, then return true. Otherwise return false. Our code is done. Right? Now we have to come up with a logic to reverse the number. Okay. Now what we have to have is, okay, just have a variable called reverse. Now to reverse, right? Now just keep in mind, right, how you will do it. How you will do it in your mind. Okay. Basically in your mind what you will do is, now you have 123, correct? Now you have to get this 3. Now we will see how to get this 3. Okay, get this 3, multiply by 10 and keep it 30. In your mind 30 is there, right? So any number, right, this is a reverse number, right? So this, whatever you have in your mind, that you need to have a variable for it, right? So initially I will have this variable, right? Let's call it the reverse variable. Initially I have it 0. So now I extract this 3. So first step is I have this variable 0. Now I extract this 3. Then what I do is I will just multiply this reverse by 10 and add this extracted variable, which is 3. Right? Now this is equal to the reverse. Now this becomes 30. Correct? So initially it is 0. I just multiply by 10, extract this 3 multiply the reverse by 10 and then add the 3, right? No, it is not 30. This reverse 0 into 10 is 0 plus 3. Now reverse is actually 3. Okay, and then in the third step what I do is I do the same thing. I extract this 2. What is that? What is the 2 here? I get this 2 and I do the same thing. Now the reverse is 3, correct? Multiply by 10, reverse into 10 plus I add that 2. What is reverse now? Is 3. 3 into 10 plus 2, which is 32. The fourth step, again what I have to do? I have to do the same thing, right? So in the fourth step, again I have to multiply the reverse into 10, which is 320, plus I have to add this 1. 320 plus 1, which is 321. This is what I have to do, right? So I will just put that into the code. First this is 0, correct? Now how long you have to do? Until this number, all the digits you have got, right? So while n not equal to 0, because we are going to keep on remove the digits, right? Now first I will get the last digit. How will get the last digit? Simple thing. The n modulo 10 will get the last digit. Now we have got 3. Now what you have to do? You have to update the reverse, right? Reverse equal to reverse into 10 plus this digit. That's what you are doing here, right? Reverse is initially 0. 0 into 7 is 0. Plus the digit is what? 3. Now reverse gets 3, right? So you have taken the 3, right? Now the 3 is not needed. When the next loop comes, right? We don't need the 3. Next you have to take 2. If you want to take 2, you have to remove the 3. How will you remove the 3? Just n divide equal to 10. When you divide by 10, the last digit goes off. Now n becomes 12, right? Next time when the loop runs, your digit becomes 12 modulo 10, which is 2 comes. Okay. So 123 is there. Reverse is 0. Now you get this 3, right? The digit will be 3. Like, let's form the digit and the reverse. Digit will be n modulo thing, will be 3. Reverse will be reverse into 10, right? Reverse is 0. Reverse is 0. 0 into 10 plus the digit, which is 0 plus 3. This will become 3. Then let's track n also. N is 123. Now n divided by 10, n becomes 123, n becomes 12. Now go up. Now n is 12 not equal to 0. Now n modulo 10. Now you get 2. 12 modulo 10, large digit is 2, right? You get 2. Then reverse into 10, this is 3 into 10 plus digit is 2. Now you get 32. Then n modulo 10, you got the 2, right? Then remove this 2 also. Divide by 10, it will become 1. Go up, n modulo 10, 1 modulo 10 is 1. Then this reverse is 32. 32 into 10 is 320 plus the digit is 1. Now we get 321. Then n divided by 10, 1 divided by 10 is 0. The condition is false, comes out of the loop. Now what I have to do? Just return the reverse number. Where is the reverse number which is there in this variable? Okay. So whatever you do in your mind, right? Get the last digit, okay, multiply by 10 and add to it. This is how you reverse the digits. This is the logic, right? This is how you have to code it. Okay, let's try to compile and run. See if this works. Yes, all the test case passed. We are fine.